Hello, my name is Michael Gutierrez. Today we're going to be discussing 6 gestures that you can use effectively that I've used in the past that made me successful in public speaking. According to the body language studies, successful leaders use gestures to attract their audience. Using gestures showed more effective to the audience than if you did not use any gestures. This is to and from the Center of Body Language. Let's get started. Number 1, the box. The box is having your hands in front like you're holding a box, right in this area. This shows trustworthiness, trustfulness. People can trust you. Your hands are here in this area. For example, Bill Clinton used this a lot when he was president of the United States. His hands would be in this area. Number 2, the ball. Holding a ball in front of your chest shows commanding and dominant of what you're speaking about, confident of what you're going to be saying to your audience. And a good example of this is Steve Jobs. He frequently used this when speaking to his audience in speeches across the country. He would use the ball gesture. Number 3, the pyramid effect. Having your hands together, which I use often when I'm speaking, in front of your abdomen together. This self-assurance, relaxed state of mind, staying focused on what you're going to be speaking about. A great example is Angela Merkel. When she speaks in Parliament in Germany, she does this gesture a lot. This keeps her calm and people can understand what she's speaking about. Pyramid gesture. Number 4, the wide stance. The wide stance is making sure your feet are spread enough, looking tall, looking confident when you're speaking to your audience. So confidence, stay in control. This is how you attract and keep your audience. Okay, so it's the wide stance. That's number 4. Number 5, palms up. This gesture indicates openness and honesty. This is a great one. For example, Oprah Winfrey, when she speaks to her audience, has her palms up. It shows trustworthiness, honesty, nothing to hide here. She's sincere, she's acceptable, and she's credible to her audience. And that's what you want to see. Number 6, palms down. Palms down show strength and shows assertiveness. A good example of this is Donald Trump. When Donald Trump speaks with large, vast audiences, his hands would normally be down, controlling the audience and speaking firmly with self-confidence, and that's what he uses the palm down effect, the gesture, palm down. So now that we discussed the gestures, I hope that you can use this effectively in your presentations. And remember, be natural in your presentation. Don't feel forced of doing one if you don't feel good or genuine. Practice, practice, practice. And be prepared. And remember, you have purpose.